I'm doing things wrong, so I got things positive. Okay. Getting wrong, as pong. This is saying and 50 ranks. It's saying training. Wrong starting spectrum. So I only got like protected ranks. So I'm gonna try ranks. So this thing could go things around. Something like that, right? I points phone and ranks. This is. I don't know why I got the rank. Okay. But the thing is, you can probably make the ranks. I can still do like content if they don't have the same. But okay, at the ranks, you get stuff. You get that it does come together. The ranks on. Alright, this is probably around there. And you'll get the cable. This is like most mixing, but the grant hasn't covered right. Most mixing. Okay. And I think the spirits out got round 2 round. Open up the ranks. So I got I don't get that rank wrong, so don't have anything connected to this. Well, I'm gonna have that pawn back that I can run currents. Things just don't. And this thing's 15 ranks restaurant, so it's probably not going to be like. Well, I'm just gonna put it around. Right. Okay. I'm getting tanks. So there we go. So I don't get it right. I think should be control. Okay. So let's see if I can get like full. Rank. 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 With this, I can add on like. Things like that stand. There you go. So I got like. But I can look at the range. Things can come. So I can get this oomph. But there's got kinds of things and pranks. iPods, and which I don't have, but there's like a prints and things around ranks, iPod ranks. So I think I'm gonna get ranks if we have like iPod that sense. And this one, that was like. I can like. So I'm really just like putting this in the joints, but anyway, I'll get the right. and lungs. So I'm going to Bang, this is drinks. I do drinks. I'm going to do drinks. This is what I'm going to drinks. I'm going to try and see if I can get like this has like the organs. So this organ didn't have that, so I got silver out. So if I can put the phone back in, and so got like something. So I think so now it's thinking 26 watts. Again, I think we're going to start covering. Speak to the next screen. I probably have to put the things out with ranks and icons. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get, but the phone, I think it's this one's like I'm gonna like it links to 18%. It's still a lot. So I'm gonna see again. So since I'm taking our routes, so I probably won't. It's back some routes, but let's see if I can turn up the right. See what. Let's take around. So what? Okay, I guess. Okay, seems like it's like taking. Guess what? Yeah, so it seems like I just gonna probably like cooking screen around. So just I was trying to relax the kitchen. I got things. This button on. I got like type of banks, and this one is like good controlling and some. And controlling for like the one thing I do is like you can sort it and you can there you go. Two zones doing right. Got banks as well. It's also done. So this is kind of what it does to me. So I got 15 from this is kind of brilliant. This is kind of right. I can go next again. And I got right. So this is kind of like. Okay. I think that's correct. And I think things should control rank. So, bye bye for now.